Hi everyone, Puspanjali here, and today we are going to talk about how to choose a profitable blogging niche. So, what is a blogging niche? It's the focus of your blog. And let's begin with an example, my real life example. So, while searching easy breakfast ideas for my kid, I stumbled upon two blogs. One blog, she's full of kids recipes like easy lunch recipes for kids, breakfast ideas, and then dinner ideas for kids. Then the another blog that I have stumbled upon is a mixture of different topics. Okay, she has recipes for kids, she has vegan recipes, and she has also books, or like she's also talking about social causes. It's a mixture of different blogging niches. So in the future, what blog do you think that I'm going to visit again for my kids recipes? Okay, yes, definitely the blog A, because the blog A is focused on a particular topic and she is offering everything that needed. Blog, she is focused on serving a particular audience, and she is offering everything which a typical mom will be looking on the internet about a kid's diet or kids recipes. She has lots of recipes, such as breakfast ideas in 10 minutes, or breakfast ideas that can be cooked using a microwave oven, or like simple recipes that a kid who with parental guidance can cook in a kitchen. Okay, so that is the thing. If you have a particular blogging niche, your blog is focused on serving one particular problem or particular area, and it always distinguishes your blog from the other blogs, because there are so many blogging uh, ideas, there are so many blogs, billions of blogs are published every day, but among that sea of blog posts, only a few emerges on the Google's first page of any kind of search results, and those blogs are getting monetized, those blogs are getting revenues. Why? Because most of these blogs, they maintain a blogging niche, and they love to talk about a particular thing. So that is the beauty of choosing a profitable blogging niche. And now we are going to talk about three easy steps that you can use to determine which blogging niche is good for you, or which blogging niche can be profitable. The number one thing about choosing a profitable blogging niche is that you know the topic thoroughly. You don't need to be an expert to blog about the topic. You just need to have a good idea. Suppose I write about blogging and productivity. Okay, I have been blogging since last 10 years, and I know one or two things about blogging or blog monetization, SEO. Okay, so I write about all these topics on my blog, and they are my blog is monetized, and I get good search traffic from a particular keywords for that blog. I also have a food blog, but I don't mix those two topics in one single domain. Okay, my food blogging, it has a separate domain, and it's a separate blog. And my blogging and like SEO topics, because they are related, it's written on another domain. So this is the thing, you need to have a good idea about what you are blogging. Okay, the second thing is that if even if you know there are certain loopholes in your knowledge, but you are willing to research, you are willing to study the topic, and you are willing to invest time on that particular blogging niche, so that you know thoroughly what you are actually talking on your blog. For example, you love to write about budget. Okay, you love to create budgets for your family. All your family members, they depend upon your advices while they are creating budgets for their individual houses. Okay, and while you are not a finance expert, but you have a good knowledge of how you can manage money or how you can create a budget for your house. And while you have that good knowledge, you should also read regularly, research regularly about the topic how to create a home budget, or how to create a travel budget, or how to create a budget so that you can buy trips, or like you can buy uh, good things, or like any valuables. Okay, so this is a theme. And the third step in choosing a profitable blogging niche should be that blogging niche has ample scope of monetization. If there is no competition, it means that people online are not interested in that particular niche. Suppose you can write about your cat, okay, but people may not be interested in reading about your cat. You have the knowledge about cat, you love to read and research about cat's anatomy, cat's behavior, cat's sleeping pattern, etc., etc., but there are no people who are willing to read about your cat. If you write about how to judge your cat's behavior, what to feed your cat, then there may be competition, because there are lots of people who love to have a cat as a pet, and they are reading about how to take care of a cat, or how to feed, how to go for vaccination for your cat and everything. So 3 things about profitable blogging niche. Number 1, you have a good knowledge about the particular topic. Second thing is that you have the willingness and time to invest to read and research about that particular topic. And the third one is that the blogging niche has, or the topic has, enough competition to rank for. The more the competition, more are the chances of monetizing that profitable niche to make it profitable. Okay. Now there may a question, maybe a question that if you write about 3-4 topics and you are willing to read and research, you have good idea or good knowledge on all the subjects, what niche should be your primary? Okay, so it totally depends upon your readers. What are the topics, what are the blog posts that your readers are reading more, they are spending more time on that, they are subscribing on that page, on that particular blog post, and they are sharing it, and they are leaving comments, etc. It totally depends upon how your readers are reacting to those posts. Okay, suppose you have a lifestyle blog and you write about food, travel, fashion, everything that comes under a lifestyle blogs category. And if your fashion posts are getting more tractions, more engagement, then I suggest that you stick to more and more fashion posts. And if your travel posts are getting more engagement, then your primary niche should be travel. So these are simple steps that can help to choose a profitable blogging niche, and this also helps in ranking of your blog, because while you choose a niche, there are chances that your blog is going to be search engine optimized eventually. I will discuss about SEO or search engine optimization in my next videos, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon and share this video with your blogging friends.